Fatty liver disease, also known scientifically as hepatic steatosis, is a condition where your liver is overloaded with excessive amounts of fat. This surplus fat can incite swelling and inflammation, setting off a domino effect of health complications. The liver plays a vital role in detoxification, metabolism, and nutrient processing, so any disruptions can have serious consequences. One of the most concerning aspects of fatty liver disease is its quiet progression. Imagine a condition that advances without detection for years, slowly inflicting harm on your liver without any immediate symptoms. That's the reality of fatty liver disease. Its gradual and silent progression can catch even the most health-conscious individuals off guard. That's why, in today's video, I'm going to share with you the top 10 signs of fatty liver disease to watch out for. Just a heads up, this video is for educational purposes only. If you're worried about your health or think you might be unwell, please speak to your doctor for a proper checkup and advice. Now, having clarified the purpose of our discussion, let's delve into the heart of the matter. What causes fatty liver disease? The primary culprits behind fatty liver disease often lie in our modern diets. Consuming excessive omega-6 vegetable oils, such as corn, soy, cottonseed, or margarine, can trigger inflammation in the liver cells, disrupting the normal digestion of fats. Additionally, sugary foods can produce free fatty acids, exacerbating the problem. For those who enjoy alcoholic beverages, a note of caution is warranted. Alcohol can activate specific genes in your liver, instructing it to accumulate more fat rather than burning it off. Additionally, high fructose corn syrup, found in many packaged foods and drinks, rapidly converts to fat in the liver, worsening the situation. Lastly, we can't forget the unwelcome guests: drugs and viruses. Though rare, certain medications, drugs, and viral infections can also harm the liver and contribute to fat accumulation. It's essential to consider these external factors when evaluating your liver health. Now that we've laid the groundwork, let's delve into the signs and symptoms to watch out for. The first sign: aches and tightness in your neck and shoulder. Are you experiencing unexplained aches or tightness in your neck, right shoulder, jaw, or under your shoulder blade? These discomforts could be related to your liver's health. The liver plays a crucial role in the digestion of fats from food we consume, such as meats and oils. Bile is an important liquid produced by the liver that helps in this process. However, when the liver becomes congested with excessive fat, the bile can become thicker and trapped within the liver, leading to complications. One significant consequence of this trapped bile is swelling and inflammation in the liver. As the liver and gallbladder become engorged, pressure is exerted on the nearby phrenic nerve. The phrenic nerve is a crucial nerve that runs along your right side, and when irritated or compressed, it can cause referred pain in the upper right side muscles of your back, neck, and shoulders. This referred pain can manifest as aches or tightness in the neck. It is a subtle yet crucial warning sign that your liver health needs attention. The next sign, which is also the most common one, is belly fat. If you're carrying significant weight around your midsection or have a noticeably large belly, it's likely an indication of a fatty liver. What happens is that fat begins to pile up in your liver, and when it runs out of space, it starts to disperse, turning into visceral and subcutaneous fat around your abdomen. Visceral fat is particularly harmful because it impedes the normal functioning of your organs and can result in elevated blood pressure and potentially trigger heart attacks. However, it's important to note that a protruding belly isn't the only sign of a fatty liver. It's entirely possible for you to have visceral fat surrounding your organs and not be aware of it. Sign number 3: discomfort in your right side ribs. If you're noticing a recurring discomfort in your right side ribs, it could be more than just an odd ache. This discomfort could be a manifestation of sludgy bile accumulation in your liver or gallbladder. This bile, laden with concentrated cholesterol, typically comes into being when fatty liver disease is present or when your gallbladder is under duress, causing the bile to thicken beyond normal. The consequence of such accumulation is the exertion of pressure or irritation on the cartilage of your ribs. This can lead to significant discomfort, and for those who spend the majority of their day seated, say at a workstation, it can result in the stiffening of the small rib joints. This condition, known as costochondritis, is another potential signal of underlying fatty liver disease. The fourth sign: spider veins. The subsequent sign to watch out for is the appearance of spider veins, an early hint of potential liver impairment. These veins often present as a red dot at the core, underscored by reddish extensions radiating out from the center. While they might appear benign, these spider veins could be a subtle alarm bell ringing for a possible liver-related issues. When your liver is damaged, it's less efficient at filtering out surplus hormones, leading to an elevated estrogen level in your body. This hormonal imbalance can weaken your veins, resulting in the emergence of these tiny, spider-like veins on your skin. It's important to note that while these veins may seem insignificant, their presence could be indicative of an underlying issue that needs attention. They serve as a visible signal of your body's internal struggle to maintain balance and should therefore not be overlooked. Sign number 5. Hormonal disturbances. Fatty liver disease can provoke hormonal disturbances, affecting individuals of all genders, including men. One conspicuous symptom is the enlargement of male breast tissue, a condition medically referred to as gynecomastia. This phenomenon is typically triggered by heightened estrogen levels in the body, a possible outcome of liver damage. Gynecomastia often manifests as a fatty lump beneath the nipple. Besides the visible enlargement, this area may also become sensitive or painful to touch. Moreover, if you've observed a distinct swelling in your right foot and ankle compared to the left, this could be a signal of liver impairment. This condition, known as edema, arises from inadequate blood circulation originating from the liver. Both gynecomastia and a swollen right foot can be interconnected with fatty liver disease, given the liver's crucial role in managing hormones and processing fluid. The surge in estrogen levels, a consequence of liver damage, can instigate gynecomastia, culminating in the growth of male breast tissue. Understanding these signs can be key to early detection and intervention. Sign 6. Itchy feet. Are you constantly plagued by an itchiness that seems to persist on the soles of your feet or the palms of your hands? If so, you might be surprised to learn that this could be a less recognized yet significant alert of fatty liver disease. The liver, being crucial in bile production, the substance vital for fat digestion, can get clogged with excess fat in cases of fatty liver disease. This congestion can lead to a condition known as cholestasis, which is essentially a slowdown in bile flow from the liver to the small intestine. This slowdown can cause the components of bile, including bile salts and bilirubin, to build up and seep into your bloodstream. The accumulation of these substances can precipitate a condition referred to as cholestatic pruritus, or in simple terms, relentless itchiness. You might find yourself in a continuous cycle of scratching these areas, desperate for some respite from the incessant itch. Sign number 7. Hypothyroidism. Another symptom that might not immediately strike you as liver-related is hypothyroidism, or low thyroid function. The liver has a pivotal role in overseeing your thyroid hormone levels. An impressive 80% of the thyroid hormone T4 is activated and converted into T3 within the liver's confines. However, if fatty liver disease is present, this conversion process can be obstructed, leading to a sluggish thyroid. Consequently, your body's metabolism may decelerate, and you could start noticing symptoms such as persistent fatigue, unexpected weight gain, and heightened sensitivity to cold temperatures. Understanding this connection can offer valuable insight into the intricate links between different functions in our bodies and the overarching impact of fatty liver disease. Sign number 8. A lack of energy. An enduring sense of fatigue and a shortage of energy for daily tasks is a commonly voiced concern among many people. If this sounds like your experience, it may serve as a warning signal of compromised liver health. In instances of fatty liver disease, the liver, already burdened with excess fat deposits, can struggle to perform at its best. Given its pivotal role in nutrient absorption, a fat-overloaded liver may find it tough to effectively absorb critical nutrients like vitamins A, E, D, and K, as well as plant-derived carotenoids. This diminished nutrient absorption translates to a drop in your body's antioxidant levels, potentially leaving you feeling worn out, drained, and sluggish. Furthermore, your liver is the powerhouse responsible for metabolizing carbohydrates and generating glucose for energy. When its function is undermined by fatty liver disease, your body may not get the necessary energy supply it needs. This could intensify feelings of fatigue and exhaustion, emphasizing the critical importance of maintaining liver health. Sign number 9. Dark velvety patches of skin. Have you come across dark, velvety patches of skin decorating your neck, armpits, or other body areas? This skin manifestation, known as acanthosis nigricans, could serve as a subtle yet significant hint of fatty liver disease. Acanthosis nigricans is a dermatological condition marked by an unusual darkening and thickening of the skin. The connection between acanthosis nigricans and fatty liver disease is rooted in insulin resistance. When your liver is burdened with an excess of fat, it can trigger insulin resistance, a state where your body's cells become somewhat deaf to insulin's effects. Consequently, your body compensates by producing more insulin, which then stimulates skin cells, leading to the characteristic changes seen with acanthosis nigricans. The 10th sign: bad quality of sleep. Fatty liver disease can also cast a shadow over the quality of your sleep. If you're grappling with disrupted sleep or have been diagnosed with sleep apnea, it may be linked to the state of your liver. An excess of fat stored in the liver can trigger inflammation, which subsequently impacts the production of chemicals that orchestrate your sleep patterns. Moreover, these sleep disturbances can set in motion a detrimental cycle. Poor sleep quality can pave the way for weight gain, which in turn can intensify the severity of fatty liver disease. Recognizing these interconnected elements can offer a comprehensive understanding of the broad impacts of fatty liver disease, emphasizing the importance of maintaining a healthy sleep routine and overall liver health. If you've noticed a few of these indicators, don't hesitate to visit your doctor and ask for an ultrasound examination. Early detection is key to preventing further damage. When it comes to maintaining liver health and reversing fatty liver disease, small lifestyle changes can make a big difference. Promoting liver health and healing fatty liver disease starts with a few key lifestyle changes. First, eliminate unhealthy vegetable oils like margarine, maize, cottonseed, canola, soy, and refined olive oils from your diet. Replace them with healthier options such as organic raw coconut oil, extra virgin olive oil, and cold-pressed avocado oil. Since fast food and packaged items often contain these low-cost, unhealthy oils, preparing nutritious meals at home makes a big difference. Also, consider taking a quality digestive enzyme supplement on an empty stomach 1 hour before meals. Look for ones containing purified bile, pancreatin, and betaine HCl to help thin bile, dissolve excess fat, and cleanse your liver. Proper bile flow is essential for efficient fat digestion. Furthermore, cut back on sugary, starchy, and grain-based foods including sweets, bread, biscuits, pasta, rice, and potatoes. Instead, eat more anti-inflammatory foods like wild salmon and grass-fed meats. Also embrace sulfur-rich vegetables like garlic, asparagus, onions, leeks, Brussels sprouts, radishes, cauliflower, and broccoli. Sulfur helps liver enzymes break down fat and detoxify harmful substances like alcohol. Milk thistle extract is another effective liver healing tool. The silymarin in 150 mg milk thistle extract taken 2 to 3 times daily helps detoxify the liver and boost glutathione production. This powerful antioxidant heals and regenerates damaged liver cells and regulates inflammation. Intermittent fasting can also aid liver recovery. Condensing your daily calories into a 4-hour window and fasting for 20 hours triggers autophagy. This allows your liver to recycle old scar tissue and damaged proteins into new, usable hepatocytes. Finally, try a simple yet highly beneficial morning tonic for cleansing your liver, reducing fat storage, and increasing bile release. Mix 1 tablespoon apple cider vinegar, 2 tablespoons fresh lemon juice, and 500 milliliters of water. Maintaining your liver health requires only a few lifestyle changes for big rewards. If any of these fatty liver symptoms seem familiar, schedule an appointment with your doctor right away to request an ultrasound test. Don't put it off. The good news is that the liver is incredibly resilient and can regenerate itself through the body's natural healing processes. With a few positive lifestyle adjustments, you can help reverse the course of fatty liver disease. Remember, knowledge is power. Stay informed on the latest research and take proactive steps to care for your liver. It's one of the body's most vital organs, essential for maintaining overall health, energy, and vitality. Here's to your continued health, wealth, and happiness on the journey ahead. With greater awareness and a commitment to self-care, you have all you need to create positive change.